It's not difficult. See, Parikshit was saying that this drawing is gonna be difficult, which I'm sure it's not going to be difficult. Let's get started with the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. This is a challenge that we do difficult drawings every day. Yeah? Let's start fast. Parikshit, let's get started fast with the episode number 32 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Let's get started with the eyes. Parikshit, make it quick. Yeah. The ears. Isn't this a very quick one? We're already done with the face, almost. Yeah. Let's quickly do the body. Parikshit, this is a fast drawing challenge, okay? How quick can you do? But you also have to do good. That's pretty quick. The legs. The shoes. Wow, you are also very quick, Parikshit. And you said it is difficult. You are just making us fools, isn't it? So it is gonna be difficult and you are making it so easily. Now what we make is a big pencil that he is holding. What did you make?
This is a rabbit pencil. This looks like it's my shop.
We are done with episode number 32 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. So guys, if you want to get featured in the video, what you need to do is hit on the like button, click on subscribe, add a comment below what you want us to draw next, and your profile gets featured in the next video by Parikshit. So see you in the next video, episode number 33, and just have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.